That's fine, parallel. One more set of 8. It just doesn't get any better than this. I love glute work. Last 4, push. Come on. Almost there. Couple more. Now take a little rest, reevaluate. Do you need to pull your tube tighter? Probably. Flex your foot. Now lift it up towards the sky. Just lift, lower. Keep those hips square. Shoulders are relaxed. You're looking good. Stay with me. One more set of 8, right? One more set. Come on. Stay with it. Push it through. 4 more. Stay committed. Couple more. All right. Take a little rest. Oh, yeah. You only have one more on this side. We can do it. We're here to do it with you. Ready? Take that foot, flex it. Make a footprint on the sky. Lift up your belly and extend and curl. Extend, curl. Kick your booty as you come in. Make it strong. All right. Fantastic job. One more set of 8, then we're even. Come on, use your power. Push it through. Just 4 more, right, girls? See it through. Couple more. Perfect. And relax. Sink those hips down in your heels. Those were my favorites. How about you? Come on off. I've said that like 3 times, haven't I? I think everything's my favorite. So go ahead and take that tube, put it underneath your step, and we've got one little surprise for you at the end. No workout would be complete without push-ups. So Heather and Michelle are going to do it on their knees. I'm going to do it on my toes. You want your hands to be shoulder distance apart. You want your chest to be right up above that step. Shoulders are retracted. Give me 12 singles here. Give me 12. Press all the way through. Get as close to the step as you can. Just 8 more. If you want to come up and clap in between, you can. I'll just stick with the push-ups. Last 4. Come on. Last 2. And 1. Take it back. Drop your knees. That was fantastic. We're going to come up, do 1 slow push-up, 1 slow side plank, and a push-up and a plank. Ready? Slow push-up here. Come down for 2. Now open it up. Ease it through. Come on. Now slow push-up. Make sure when you come into that side plank that your arms are parallel to one another. Take your time. The slower you go, the more isolation, the more control. Push down. Open it up. You're looking too good to stop. How about one more set? Come on down. I didn't say how long the set was going to be, did I? And back. Come on down. You're almost there. Open it up. How about just one more push-up right through the center? Then we'll rest it out. Drop those knees and come on back. 3rd time's the charm. We have one last set. We'll do slow push-ups, just 8. Open up your chest. Make sure your form is strong. Here we go. Toes are tucked under. Shoulders are relaxed. And down 2, up 2. Come down, 2, and up. Sometimes the slower you go, the more you feel it. You don't have any momentum here. Just pure muscle. Squeeze $1 million between those glutes. Keep those glutes tight. Don't let it go. Almost. Should I do 2 more, girls? Just 2. Last time. Come on down. Perfect. Take it back. Stretch it out. That was hard work. You stayed with us the whole time. You should be proud. Take your right foot in front of you. Bring that left foot up. Take a deep breath all the way in. Exhale. I hope you join us for the core. You did fantastic.